Gloria AI FAQs. Make Gloria your digital twin. Turn Gloria AI into your most knowledgeable employee with FAQs. This is your tool for creating instant, helpful answers to your customers' most common questions. Creating your first FAQ. Let's dive in and make an FAQ. Question. Type in the most common way your customers ask this question. Gloria AI is smart enough to understand variations. Answer. Write a clear, concise answer. Be helpful and friendly. This is Gloria AI's voice. Resources. Optional. Add images or PDFs to enhance your answer. Think menus, schedules, or visual guides. Actions. Optional. Give customers quick ways to take the next step. This could be a phone number, email link, or even a link to another part of your website. The FAQ dashboard. Here's where all your FAQs live. You can see them at a glance and manage them easily. Suggested questions. Make it even easier for customers to find what they need. Add your FAQs to the suggested questions list so Gloria AI can proactively offer them. Edit, delete, test. Keep your FAQs fresh and accurate. You can always edit or delete them. And don't forget to test your FAQs by asking Gloria AI yourself. Why FAQs are essential. FAQs are a game changer. This is why. 24/7 support. Gloria AI is always there to answer. Faster resolutions. Customers get answers instantly. Happier customers. They feel heard and helped. Happier you. Less repetitive work for your team. Ready to build your FAQ base? Start making Gloria AI the most helpful member of your team. Remember, if your customers need more help, Gloria AI can always connect them with a human agent. It's the perfect balance of automation and personal touch. Explore the rest of our documentation for even more in-depth tutorials and step-by-step guides. Visit iamgloria.com/docs for more information.